Hey, sixth graders, welcome to the Waves Simulator station. So in this station, we are going to be working independently on your own device. However, you are going to stay in the Google Meet breakout room while you are working. You're going to use your classmates for support if you get stuck, but you should be working independently on this task. So the first thing you are going to do is explore the Wave Simulator by clicking on the different buttons in the Wave Simulator to change the wave. Then you are going to use the Google form as a checklist, as a guide for items to explore. If you have questions, you should watch this video or other videos, or you can come back to the main group and ask your teacher for help. We are going to quickly go over all the items in this folder. So the first thing we just talked about was the start here directions. Okay, this is where you're going to read your information, your directions, and watch this video. Then you have the Standing Waves Simulator checklist down below. So these are all the things that you can look at while you are in your simulator. There's no requirement that you do them all, but you should, as you do them, you're going to just check off the mark, add a check mark to the things that you complete. We're going to click back up and look at this wave simulator. In the wave simulator here, you can change this wave by clicking on these things and making adjustments. You can adjust the frequency, the wave speed. You can make it an anti-node or a regular node. You can change the amplitude, and then you can go and make some custom waves. Explore these different things and then go back and fill out the checklist and let me know which ones you liked and which ones you did. If you have any other questions, please send a message or come back to the Google meeting. All right, have fun exploring. Bye!